Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today was the split day and Tesla is dropping minus 0.35% right now. While everybody else is going up, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia is going up more than 4% today. And Tesla is dropping minus 0.35%. Is this frustrating? A little bit, yes. Is this something to worry about? Not right now, at least. I don't think so. I will give you guys more details in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel. When did I ever disappoint you guys? I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on what's the best regarding Tesla's price action. And if you're not my subscriber yet, just subscribe, all right? Consider subscribing because I will keep you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks as well. You know, the math in this channel makes zero sense. I have way more returning viewers than actual subscribers. So instead of watching this video, not subscribing right now and coming back later, there is no need to leave if you subscribe right now. It's gonna make your life easier, all right? So just saying, I'm not necessarily asking, all right? I'm just saying this is gonna make your life easier. Now, back to Tesla. Right now, if you ask me, we are dropping only because of the volatility today, only because today it is split day. Usually, when we see huge catalysts on Tesla, splits, earnings, other stuff, other reports, usually Tesla does not behave normally for one day or two. So I do believe the situation will normalize maybe tomorrow, preferably tomorrow, and Tesla will get back to its normal behavior, which is a quite easy stock to read, which usually follow the broad market as well. Okay, so I do believe this is going to happen. One of you guys asked me yesterday, oh Nathan, what happens to the charts when we see splits? Well, ideally nothing, because charts will automatically adjust the price to the split. But right now, unfortunately, the hourly chart on TradingView is still a huge mess. Softwares, right? Usually they correct this in one day or two, but right now, today, I can't analyze the hourly chart as we always do in this channel, but I will try to bring more topics to this video in order to have a better, more accurate view of what's going on Tesla right now. So if you ask me, okay, we had a high volatile day, we are dropping only because of split. It is very important to tell that the 21 exponential moving average, it is indeed working as a support level for Tesla. Today, we barely hit the EMA and we reacted by the end of the day. I think that by losing this EMA, the 280 is the next support level to work with, $280 by losing the EMA. What if we lose the $280, Nathan? Well, then I believe Tesla will frustrate the bull trend in the midterm. All right, so this is the most important support level for us. While if we analyze SPY, for instance, SPY is going up sharply today. SPY is indeed trying to resume its bullish sentiment because SPY is clearly bullish since June 16. It is doing lower highs, higher lows over here. It's triggering pivot points all around, and right now we did a pullback to the EMA 3 previous support level. We filled this gap, and right now we are reacting. We can't analyze Tesla's hourly chart, but we can analyze SPY and QQQ. Regarding SPY, we broke the 415. To me, the 415 was the most important resistance to break, and I told you guys this on our Market Dive daily newsletter yesterday, August 24. I told you guys when I analyzed SPY. In the 1 hour chart, we see previous resistance at 415, which SPY almost retested it today, and this point is close to the 21 EMA as well. So by breaking this point, I believe SPY will bounce back up, reversing the bearish sentiment in the short term, possibly resuming the bull trend in the mid term. I told you guys this yesterday on the Market Dive Daily Newsletter. If you are not my subscriber on the Market Dive Daily Newsletter, just check my website. The link is in the description of this video. You'll get access to further analysis, more insights, premium insights on SPY, other stocks like Twitter, Tesla, QQQ, NEO. NEO, I analyzed NEO yesterday before the breakout of this pivot point. Did you see how much NEO is going up right now? More than 6%. NEO is flying very, very high. So seriously, guys, I think you're going to enjoy the Market Dive Daily Newsletter. Amazing cost benefit ratio. Amazing, simply amazing. So right now, if you ask me, SPY broke this resistance along with the EMA, and both points did work as a support area today, and we are just bouncing back up. In my humble opinion, we are gonna fill this gap over here, 421 next. So the bias is bullish in the short term on SPY, and it is bullish in the mid term as well. QQQ is doing a similar structure. It seems it is doing a rounded bottom, right? So it is heading to fill this gap up here. So the bias is bullish in the short term as well. We are above the EMA, etc., doing higher highs, higher lows. In the daily chart, in the midterm, we are also bullish. And how Tesla could possibly react in the next couple of days? I think it's going to resume its bullish sentiment as well in the short and midterm, especially in the midterm, because in the daily chart, we are still clearly bullish. We are doing higher highs, higher lows, and since July 29, nearly 1 month ago, Tesla has been moving a little bit more like sideways, right? I mean, we did this equivalent high over here near the 313, and we could not break this ceiling over here. So this is a very strong resistance area for Tesla. This is our ceiling. We must break it in order to in order to resume the strong bullish bias we saw over here since July 5. So I think this is the most important resistance area for Tesla, while 280 is the most important support level. I do believe it is just a tiny correction, a sideways movement, while Tesla is accumulating. Another reason why I believe this is just an accumulation in a bull trend is the decreasing volume while Tesla is moving sideways. This indicates that there is not a sell-off in Tesla. Tesla is just a little bit weak. It is just, investors are just cautious. They are not buying, instead of they are selling Tesla right now because there's particularly no technical reason to sell it. So I think Tesla is just correcting, doing a time correction, moving sideways, and we saw this many times in Tesla in the past. If you take a quick look back over here, it's quite similar to this movement, right? We went up nicely, we triggered a pivot point, and then we did some sideways movement over here. See how the volume decreased during this accumulation process. The volume was quite low, and then it spiked when Tesla reacted, and we went up from $200 to $400 roughly. Another example was during this period from September 2020 to November 2020. See how Tesla moved sideways and the volume decreased a lot sharply over here. So this is another indicator, guys. Investors are just cautious. They're not selling Tesla. They're not panicking. They're not afraid. They're just, okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit more. So this is it. This is what we see on Tesla right now. And Tesla went up nicely after November 2020. So right now, if you ask me, I would not be surprised to see this movement persisting for a little bit longer, maybe 1 more month, to be honest with you guys, before we can break this ceiling, this blue area over here, and flying all the way up again to the all-time high, maybe to the near the $400. I think that's totally plausible, but we gotta see some correction right now, okay? Some sideways movement. I'm not saying Tesla is going to drop because I don't believe it's gonna drop right now. Only if we lose 280. This is the support level. This is the most important support level, that it's the game changer between bull territory and bear territory. All right, so as long as we stay in this area moving sideways, great. Tesla still has an enormous potential ahead. Statistically speaking, historically speaking, technically speaking, there is no bearish reversal sign right now. I just see a sideways boring movement, which could be very important right now to see in Tesla, because that's the fuel we might need in order to break this ceiling again and fly all the way up to the all-time high. Right now, the key points are the same. EMA 280, this ceiling over here, this blue area, 313 and 318. These are the most important resistance levels on Tesla right now in the midterm. All right. Hopefully tomorrow Tesla TradingView will adjust the charts in the 1 hour chart as well, so I can make a more interesting analysis for you guys. But for today, this is what I have. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. Remember subscribing right now this channel, because you're gonna forget. Remember to subscribe the Market Dive daily newsletter for more analysis. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you guys tomorrow.